Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the blazer face down, smooth it so seams lie flat and there are no trapped wrinkles. Once smoothed, fold each sleeve inward along the shoulder seam so cuffs sit near the jacket body. Next, take one side and fold it toward the center, keeping a straight vertical edge. This creates a narrow profile and protects lapels. Make sure lapels remain flat under your hand so they don't crease. Once the first side is set, fold the opposite side to meet the center and confirm lapels line up symmetrically. Symmetry prevents bulges. Now gently press shoulder pads inward so they sit flush without bunched fabric. This preserves shape. After that, fold the jacket lengthwise. Fold the bottom up toward the collar one time for hanging storage or twice for compact travel fold. Make sure each fold is crisp by running your hand along the seam. Finish by smoothing the final edges and pressing the folds with your palms so creases set lightly without sharp lines. Place the folded blazer flat in a drawer or slide it into a garment bag for travel. If you need to pack more tightly, tuck it between softer items to cushion. If an unwanted crease appears, steam it briefly from a distance or hang the blazer and let gravity relax the fabric. This removes most mild fold lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.